And hello again. Today I got for you a little typical kitchen faucet. I'm going to take this apart and scrap it for the brass and for the copper that's on here. Some brass fittings. Most of these parts are going to be brass, maybe plastic. We'll find out. But we'll go ahead and take it apart. Some people like to unscrew these. You could just cut the tube off. I like doing it the hard way, as usual. And see, where I was at, no good. Should listen to myself. Just clip the plastic off, get rid of that. And let's see. This is exactly as found, by the way, so. Except for one small difference, and I'll get to that. More plastic. Junk. Leave that alone for now. Now, this handle has a set screw in it, hex screw, and it wasn't turning, so I went ahead and already drilled it out some. So we're going to see if we can't pry that off of there. Or maybe slim them off, I don't know. Where's my gloves? I always put the gloves on. I always forget. We'll see if we can't knock you guys over here. Yep. Knocked you right over. Well, that's not one to come off, so even drilling it out, no good. So again, we're going to do it the easy way. It's like the bathroom sink faucet I just did the other day, recently. Same kind of top on it. Just unscrews like that. See if that comes apart. There we go. Now all these pieces should be brass. You just scrape the chrome off there, you can see the yellow. Yeah, definitely. That's all brass. Okay, that just separates like that. If you can get past the corrosion. Which is probably why they threw this away. There we go. Well, one cast piece again. You see, it's brass. And just like last time, like most faucets, you got two screws under there. You take them apart. Get the drill set up. Sometimes it's better to use a hand tool on these because they will strip. And if you strip this head off of one of these, they're impossible to get out. Yep, see, here we go. Be right back. Some liquid wrench or what's that, GB blaster or some PB blaster, whatever the heck it is. There she goes. You could soak it, you spray it and let it soak for a while. A lot of times I'll just loosen right up. But I like to do things dry. Yeah, that's turning. I wonder how long these are. don't stick. And in fact, it looks like a little bit of color on there. Those are brass. So we'll hold on to those. Now that should come apart. Oh, nope, one more screw. Totally missed it. It was hiding on me. Right down there. Come on there, you. Like I said before, helps to talk to your stuff. Talk to the scrap metal. Sometimes it'll cooperate for you. It just wants a little recognition. Loony this morning, aren't we? Come on, baby. Come on out here. There we go. Right over there. And that pulls straight through. It should anyway. What's that? That's steel. Compact it a little bit. There we go. Beautiful. And of course now these aren't going to come out. Now we have to go back to them. Take your cutters. Right behind them on the copper tubing, crimp it down. Bend it back and forth a couple times. Nice brass nut. There we go. Now you should come out for me. Beautiful. Yep, yellow brass. So let's see. That ferrule right there should be brass. Crimp that. Good. And now once again, take your cutters, crimp these tubes. That. That. That might be a brass tube right there. It is. I didn't even really have to cut that, but that's okay. There you go. There you go. And good number 2 copper. Chunk of brass. That's all there is to it, folks. Got a few more things coming up. Come on back and check on me again. Thanks for watching.